Welcome to our video, 8 Unforgettable Boat Tours for Seniors Across the U.S. The United States is home to a myriad of stunning landscapes and waterways, offering uniquely captivating boat tour experiences. From majestic Alaskan glaciers to the vibrancy of New England in autumn, we will guide you through 8 unforgettable boat tours specifically tailored for senior adventurers. So, sit back, relax, and join us on this exciting adventure navigating across America's most magnificent water routes. 1. Mississippi River Cruises. A journey through America's heartland. The Mississippi River, often referred to as the Father of Waters, offers a majestic cruise experience perfect for seniors. These boat tours provide a gentle voyage through America's heartland, capturing the essence of small towns and big cities alike. Expect to see historic plantations, ancient Native American mounds, and gleaming modern-day skylines. The blend of nature and culture is unparalleled, with diverse wildlife visible on the riverbanks. Think of bald eagles soaring above or herds of deer grazing lazily by the water. The ambiance is further enriched with onboard activities such as live jazz performances and historic lectures, making it not just a tour, but an experience to remember. 2. Alaska Inside Passage. Glaciers and wildlife galore. Embarking on a boat tour through Alaska's Inside Passage offers an opportunity to witness breathtaking glaciers and rich wildlife. This marine route takes seniors through a maze of fjords and islands, where the raw beauty of nature is evident at every turn. Whales breaching near the boat is a sight you won't soon forget, nor the playful sea otters floating on their backs. Sailing past towering glaciers that have stood for thousands of years feels like a journey back in time. The serene environment and panoramic views make this a perfect trip for relaxing and taking in the sheer magnificence of the North. 3. New England's Fall Foliage Cruise. Mother Nature's serenade as the leaves turn vibrant hues of orange, red, and gold in the fall. New England becomes a picture-perfect backdrop for a boat tour. Seniors will love sailing along the coast, admiring the stunning colors that look as if they've leapt from the pages of a painting. The gentle swaying of the boat complements the crisp autumn air, creating a serene atmosphere. This cruise is not only about the foliage. Charming coastal towns with delightful bakeries and antique shops dot the shoreline, offering whimsical detours. The aroma of pumpkin spice wafts through, encapsulating the essence of fall. 4. The Everglades. A river of grass adventure boat tours in Florida's Everglades immerse seniors in a world teeming with diverse ecosystems. Known as the River of Grass, this unique location is home to a variety of wildlife, including alligators sunning themselves on riverbanks and colorful tropical birds swooping overhead. Gliding through this area is like exploring an open-air zoo, where nature takes center stage. The Everglades' unique subtropical environment feels like an adventure on a different planet, yet it's right in the United States. The tranquil movement through mangroves creates a mysterious yet inviting ambiance, perfect for those with a sense of curiosity. 5. Lake Powell. A moonlit desert oasis. Lake Powell, straddling the border of Arizona and Utah, is a spectacular place for a memorable boat tour. Known for its dramatic sandstone formations and crystal-clear blue waters, a tour here feels like drifting in an otherworldly landscape. Seniors can enjoy quiet rides through narrow canyons that seem to open up to the sky in awe-inspiring ways. As the sun sets, the landscape transforms, with shadows dancing along the rock faces. This is a land of contrasts, where desert meets water, and tranquility meets adventure. Stargazing from the deck offers a profound connection with the natural world, far from city lights. 6. Charleston Harbor. A southern charm extravaganza. Charleston Harbor offers a delightful blend of history and southern charm, making it an ideal boat tour for seniors. This charming locale is bursting with tales of yesteryear, as you float past historic forts, grand mansions, and scenic palmetto-draped landscapes. The gentle rhythm of the water sets the stage for relaxing explorations of the South's iconic hospitality. The harbor is also frequented by playful dolphins, adding a touch of delight to your journey. On board, expect classic Southern cuisine that tantalizes the taste buds, bringing the culture of the region to life in more ways than one. 7. Monterey Bay. A marine marvel. A boat tour through Monterey Bay offers a sensory experience like no other. Renowned for its abundant marine life, seniors can anticipate sightings of sea lions, seals, and dolphins all playing along the water. The bay's vibrant underwater forest of kelp sways with the tide, creating a captivating scene. As you make your way along, the iconic sight of the rugged California coastline adds drama to the serene waters. It's akin to a live nature documentary, one where you are invited to step into the leading role. Guided tours often include knowledgeable marine experts, enriching the voyage with fascinating insights. 8. Great Lakes Cruises. Freshwater splendor. The Great Lakes, often labeled as inland seas, present unique boat tours that combine vast water bodies with diverse cultural experiences. Seniors cruising these waters will appreciate the vistas of vast, open freshwater as far as the eye can see. This region also offers glimpses into maritime history, including old lighthouses and shipwrecks beneath the surface visible thanks to the clear waters. Each port of call along the journey offers its own flavor, from the bustling, artsy downtowns to quiet, historic villages. The grandeur of the Great Lakes is best appreciated from on deck, where the horizon seems endless. In these tours, the combination of breathtaking landscapes, diverse wildlife, and deeply rooted history provides a wealth of unforgettable experiences. Each offers a gentle, majestic way to explore, ideal for those who wish to engage with the wonders of the natural world at a leisurely pace.